Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically change the sky on a video in CapCut PC. I'm just going to select this video. I'm also going to go to cutout here. I'm going to go to chroma key. I'm going to select this blue bit, adjust the strength, and maybe add some shadows later. Add it to the second track and add in the sky of your choice. I'm just going to use this one. I know there's some buildings around it, but that's okay. Just adjust this. Maybe you want to add a little bit more shadows, just like a little bit though. And then I'm just going to select the second video. I'm going to go to adjustments and try to color it, I guess, similarly to the video here. I'm going to adjust the saturation a little bit and the brightness, maybe just like a little bit. And the contrast. Can adjust the highlight and so on. You can also go to the first video and maybe blur it a little bit, but just like by a little, maybe like this much, so that maybe it looks like you're focused on the leaves rather than the sky. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!